Everything you need to know about gorillas in less than 5 minutes. Gorillas are the largest of the great apes and are known for their strength, intelligence, and complex social behaviors. Here's an extensive overview of what is known about gorillas. Species and physical characteristics. There are two species of gorillas: the eastern gorilla, Gorilla beringei, and the western gorilla, gorilla. Each species has two subspecies: eastern gorilla, mountain gorilla, Gorilla beringei, and Grauer's gorilla, also known as the eastern lowland gorilla, Gorilla beringei graueri. Western gorilla, western lowland gorilla, gorilla, and cross river gorilla, Gorilla dieli. Males, especially silverbacks, adult males with a characteristic silver stripe on their back, are significantly larger than females. They can weigh between 300 to 485 pounds, 135 to 220 kg, and stand about 5.5 to 6 feet, 1.7 to 1.8 meters, tall when upright. Females are smaller, weighing between 150 to 250 pounds, 70 to 115 kg, and standing about 4.5 feet, 1.4 meters tall. Gorillas have a robust build with a broad chest and shoulders, large hands and feet, and a thick coat of dark hair. Mountain gorillas have longer and darker hair compared to the other subspecies. Gorillas live in a variety of environments, from montane forests to swamps and lowland tropical forests. They prefer areas with abundant vegetation for feeding. Some countries include Congo, Gabon, Rwanda, and Uganda. Behavior and social structure. Gorillas live in groups called troops or bands, typically led by a dominant silverback male. A troop usually consists of one silverback, several females, and their offspring. Troops can range from 5 to 30 individuals. Gorillas communicate through vocalizations, grunts, hoots, roars, body language, and facial expressions. They also use chest beating as a form of communication, often as a display of dominance or to intimidate rivals. Gorillas are primarily herbivores, feeding on leaves, stems, fruit, and bark. They spend a significant portion of their day foraging and eating. Western lowland gorillas have a more varied diet that includes more fruit compared to mountain gorillas. Reproduction and lifespan. Females reach sexual maturity at around 10 years, while males mature later, at around 12-15 years. The gestation period is about 8.5 months, and females typically give birth to one infant every 4 to 6 years. Gorilla infants are dependent on their mothers for the first few years of life. They are weaned at around 3 to 4 years old but continue to stay close to their mothers in the troop. In the wild, gorillas can live up to 35-40 years, while in captivity, they may live into their 50s. Conservation status. Gorillas face numerous threats, including habitat destruction, poaching, disease, notably the Ebola virus, and human-wildlife conflict. Habitat loss due to logging, mining, and agricultural expansion is a major threat. Conservation efforts include habitat protection, anti-poaching measures, ecotourism, and research programs. Cultural significance. Gorillas hold significant cultural importance in the regions they inhabit and are often seen as symbols of strength and gentleness. They also play a crucial role in local folklore and traditions. Gorillas have been the subject of extensive scientific research, contributing to our understanding of primate behavior, social structures, and conservation needs. Pioneering researchers like Dian Fossey have brought global attention to their plight. Unique adaptations and behaviors. Gorillas have been observed using tools in the wild. For example, they use sticks to gauge the depth of water or to help with foraging. Gorillas build nests for sleeping, using branches and leaves. They construct new nests each evening, usually on the ground or in trees, depending on the habitat and safety considerations. Gorillas are highly intelligent and exhibit complex behaviors such as problem-solving, empathy, and the ability to learn sign language in captivity. They have a well-developed social structure and demonstrate strong familial bonds. Ecological role. Gorillas play a vital role in their ecosystems as seed dispersers. By consuming fruit and moving through their habitat, they help in the regeneration of the forest. As a keystone species, gorillas impact the structure and composition of their environment. Their foraging habits can influence the types of vegetation that grow in their habitat. Gorillas are remarkable creatures that play a crucial role in their ecosystems and hold significant cultural and scientific value. Conservation efforts are essential to protect these intelligent and gentle giants from the numerous threats they face.